this is Aman Verma, JavaScript developer. Today I am going to teach you array in JavaScript. It is one of the simplest topic in JavaScript, and I can assure you after watching this video you are not going to face any difficulty in array while applying or learning it. So let's get started. We are going to study array with these 3 points. So the first point is array is the simplest among all data structure. So as we know, array is a data structure, and what is data structure? Data structure is just simply the way of storing data. So we can say array is the simplest way to store data. So in this point we are going to study the syntax of array, how we are going to define array in a code. So let's get started. The syntax is const your array name and this square brackets. So as of now this is empty, so I can make it comment. Let's start with real world example. Const games, and here I can write GTA pain cricket 2020, something like that. So this is an array of 3 elements: GTA, pain, C 2020, or I can write empty array also. Const items, and there will be no item. So this is an empty array, and this is an array of 3 elements. Second point is it stores the collection of data of same or different types. So we have seen the same data types. Now in this point let's take of the collection of different data types. For example, const random values. Let's take random values. So for example, 1 2 3 101 true. This is the boolean value. Aman SRK 45. So here you can see this array is containing different data types. For example, 1 2 4 101 and this 45 are of integer data type. True is of boolean data type. Aman and SRK are of string data type. So array can contain values from any data types or different data types. It is not necessary to contain only the same data type. Now the third point is elements inside the array are accessed by their index. So this is one of the most important point. So I will tell you one point in this also, that indexing in array starts from 0. Okay, so for example, this array indexing starts from 0. So at the 0th position GTA is there, at first position pain is there, at second position cricket 2020 is there. So for example, if I want to console.log games 0, so this is the way how we access the particular element by their index. So here games is the name of array, and after that braces, square braces, and after that index. So 0 is the index. So what should be the output? So my desired output should be GTA. So let's check it. Node array.js. See, GTA is the output. Let's console this also. Console.log games. Here we are consoling the whole array. Let's console it. So GTA pain C 2020 and 0th element is GT. So the index 0 is signifying the first value. It is indicating the first element of array. Same with C 2020. The index will be 2, not 1. 0 1 2, like this. For example, console.log games 0 index 2. Let's run this program. See, GTA pain C 2020 on 0th index GTA is there, on second index 2020, and obviously on first index pane will be there. See, GTA pane C2020. So this is the way how we are going to access the elements of array through their index. So 0, 1, 2, 3 is their index. So to show you in a pictorial form or in a virtual representation, I have one diagram. So see, there are elements 10, 20, 30, 40, and their indexing start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to access the third element, so third element index will be second, मतलब index -1, 0, 1, 2. So this is the third element of an array, but it has index of 2. So this is how we access the array. Same with let's comment this and say let's take this array. Now console it, console.log random values. So we have console this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 101 true 1 SRK 45. So this is the array. Now if you want to access like third element, for example, we don't know about the indexing, we just want to access the third element. So how we are going to approach the third element? By here we can say that 1, 2, 3, this is the third element, but we know that indexing starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So we will write console.log random values 2. So it will give us third element of the array, not the third index. It will give the third element of the array. Let's check. Ideally it should give 4. Let's check it. See, it has given 4. Now for example, if you want to access 7th element, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ideally it should give SRK. And so what should be the index? The index should be 6 if you want to access the 7th element, because indexing starts from 0. So let's say console.log random value 6. Comment this. See, on 7th element it is giving, on index 6 it is giving SRK, and which SRK is the 7th element. So this is the way we access the element by their index. One more thing I want to tell you, that it is the some basic concept, that is how we are going to find the length of an array. For example, you want to find the length of random values, just console.log random values dot with the length function. Comment this. Let's check what should be the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 should be the length of the random values. Now run it. See, 8 is the length. So with this function we can easily find the length of the, and this function is very useful in loops while iterating. Let's check for games also, games array also. Console.log games, sorry, games dot length. Say 3. We know that we only have 3 elements, GTA pane C2020. So that's all for introduction of array.